Ako man din ako. Saban ko sa teacher.
Okay.
Wait lang! Why mo, Shil? Dili ko!
Yup.
Just saying. Say boobies.
Let's try 1, 2, 3.
Inisi sa bura pa ko sa ni harassed. Oh.
Basus kayo ka! Tungkol mga yung uniform, ang uniform
Napaka-space sa taas kung gusto ka.
Oh, here? Like this?
What do you want for Christmas?
Nothing.
Hero cancer.
Yeah.
Dave, sa'yo na ba?
World peace?
Yeah.
About world domination?
Sa'yo na lagi na world domination.
Uy, puti na kayo.
Imong
Square.
Again.
Ready na mi.
Hello.
P2ish.
Kasi lang settings.
And there's the treasure box.
Rico, Rico.
No, so, wow.
Peanut Whatever.
Yeah.
Sa sige.
Oh, Michael.
There's the marker.
I hate you, Harry. Because video cams loses the mystery of the pictures.
Okay.
Ay, sorry. Kabulo na lang siya sa wish ni Quantum Dubs. Sa bit?
Oh, ikaw, ano sa'yo mo?
To be awake. This is my apology to Tondaps. I love you, my friend.
Grabe, impromptu kay.
Wish for
No, it's curly.
So, yes.
For now, nalingaw ko tungkol aning kaning car and
The hydraulic runner.
I'm doing this.
May gani, wala ka na taga kani.
And I wish for love and peace.
I want to be poor. Don't.
Smile, little king.
Alam nyo, you know, life ay parang buhay. Sometimes kung minsan, tinatawid ang what you call. Halimbawa, for example, verb sa galaw, move sa pandiwa, ayun, that's it. Kung understand mo, you understand, you understand.
Alam nyo dyan. Alam nyo to sa...
I'm a daughter of my mom and dad.
Sorry ha! Hindi nyo read.
Sige. So, in more spaces.
I don't know what I want. My name is Maria, and I wish for a car. To have lots of wishes. Shy. Saan ka na po? Scary. Kanang furry black dog na di na makita ang eyes. Fix me because I'm sweating like a pig. I want love. I want to be successful.
Oh, talaga po din.
I don't know. Introduce na siya?
Happy? Yeah.
Of course. Yes, maging si Kriya. Saan mo ba? Hindi ko pwede mo sigot. Wala na yung foundation.
And I love fashion. Dog? I would be a Pomeranian. He's right there!
One day worth of shopping spree. And there's something about the water that really interests me.
I'm tired of giving so much. It's just not fair. I've never been selfish before and I'm enjoying being selfish now.
O siya, assistant dagbahan. Nabayaran mo? Okay, Shay, I think it's a nice project because you really get to think about what you really want for the new year. You get to evaluate yourself and your present status in life.
Nice answer.
Char!
Yes, you're a tree. You're a tree.
It's a big dream. I hope it will happen.
Shay, magod ko. Dagan kay katanong.
Dear amount of luck.
All I want is to be happy and to achieve my dreams. Wait, sorry. I want to fly. Like,
So-
instant.
It's a good way to express yourself.
To be happy.
Okay.
I wished for a grizzly bear. Something real would be cuter.
Wear a vintage dress. For the moment lang, murag may ghost lang just on my
Okay. Nagpainom ka mo.
Hikar. He's
my boyfriend.
He's a real guy. Pink lang. Pink
tap.
lang. Dapat yung pink. I'll wait for it. I'll find a way.
Hindi mo wash out siya.
I wished for love. Para ma-happy yung life, dapat love mo other people. And also, ayun mo sa
I want to be successful, especially in the business world.
After that,
I want to be a successful engineer someday.
Hello.
The power to change the time, power to go back. I'm not really happy with what I have to do now.
I'm not saying you're there.
Winter, because I've always liked the coldness and I really like it when it snows, even though it's not like, snowing here in the Philippines.
To be president. If so, well, it's your Philippines. The power to fly. Wala lang. Fly lang.
That's fine.
I'm humble though.
Hi. Summer. I'm loud, gorgeous, vibrant, bright.
My wish is my own happily ever after. Well, I'm a hopeless romantic at heart. I hope I get it myself.
Nations.
Autumn. It's not summer yet, it's not winter. So I think I'm in between.
I'm Lisa. My wish is to time travel, to change something from before. Maybe during my childhood.
Thanks.
Summer. Okay, fun. Good ang season.
I want rock hard abs, like Megan Fox. That's why you call it a wish.
Wala ko evening timing, but wala gini kitang heroes kay that would be teleportation.
Wow. You can look down.
Hi, I'm Nico Mahinay.
Nico?
Miko.
Miko? Oh.
I wish to ride a unicorn because I love unicorns and rainbows and stars and hearts.
Ay, na-confuse na ko na I want to become a good mother. Hala, ano mo ito? Weird kito. Mo na top of the head answer. Kaya eventually, I'm going to have a family, diba? I mean, hopefully. I want to be a good mother, like my mom.
How many children? How many?
Five.
Hi po, Miss Guma 2002. Laugh and just laugh. Go, mushroom.
Laugh.
Parang may halo ka dyan sa likod. Photo. Ah, okay. That's that. An open new world. Because this world is growing old and closed, we become more open to the changes that are happening, and we also see what's new. This will take a lifetime. I want to eat lunch. Well, right now I'm here leading this school. One of my wishes is that the students who go through Xavier University will find these next few years very meaningful and foundational for their lives. I hope they won't forget what they've learned here.